Welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage battery saver mode on Asus ROG Xbox Ally X device. Now first, let me show you the easiest way to enable power saving mode. To do so, open the start menu, go to settings. In settings, select system on the sidebar, then swipe down to power and battery and open this menu. Now in power and battery you have to You can change the power mode both for plugged in and on battery modes to best power efficiency, which is the best option to preserve your battery life on a single charge. Also expand the energy saver menu, and here you can manually enable the energy saver mode by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also set it to enable automatically at some battery level, which you can select from this list. And if you select always, then your battery saver will start working whenever your charging cable is unplugged from your device. And also, for these settings to be applied, press the Armory Crate button and go to Armory Crate SE. Now in Armory Crate SE, you have to tap the settings icon in the top left corner of the screen, then go to performance, first go to more settings and make sure that this toggle is switched on, then go to operating mode and set Windows. And now your Windows battery mode will be synchronized with your Armory Crate. But besides, you can select one of these three modes you have right here. The silent mode basically is the most battery friendly option, as it limits your GPU and CPU usage. Performance mode balances your performance, temperature, and your fan speed. And the turbo mode is quite the opposite. It's for gaming performance, and I recommend using it with the charging cable plugged into your device. But you can also set up manual mode. If you tap on manual, basically what you have here is the SPL, SPVT and FPVT levels. So now what they stand for, the SPL is this sustained power limit. So this is the long-term power limit for a CPU or GPU that CPU and GPU can maintain consistently under load. So you should think of it as the best baseline power draw that your processor can sustain indefinitely without overheating or throttling. SPVT mode, however, is the medium-term boost power level, lasting from around 30 seconds to a couple of minutes, which allows CPU or GPU to temporarily draw higher power to boost performance during demanding tasks before dropping back to the first level, to CPL. And FPVT is the short-term or burst power limit, which lasts typically a few seconds. It enables very short bursts of maximum power for intense workloads that need instant responsiveness. And if you want to emulate the power saving mode using this manual menu, you should set SPL to around 9 to 11 watts, and then drop the other two values to basically the minimum. Then tap, you can actually, oh no, we cannot name it. Oh no, we can tap the three-dot icon, select rename, and here provide the, let's name it battery saver. Tap rename and tap apply. Then yes, wait for the yes to appear and tap on yes, and now you can use this preset as your battery saver mode whenever you want to. Besides, to save your battery in long term, press B, then go to battery care and enable battery care mode, which will limit your battery charging to 80% to reduce long term battery wear. and that's basically how you manage the battery saver mode on your Asus device. So the last thing I want to mention in this video are some additional tips. For example, you can open your command center by pressing the Armory Crate button and then lower your screen brightness to the point where you're still feeling comfortable with using your device's display. You can also limit your FPS. In the same menu you have the default FPS limiter, which you can tap on, and in order to limit FPS in games, you can if you don't have it here, you can press Y to customize this menu, then tap add, and then find the FPS limiter here, and then tap on it to add. And also you can go back to performance, go to Eco Assist, and enable extreme standby mode and modern standby mode for better power management at sleep. And also you can go back from here to the power and battery menu, and if you want to, you can go to power button controls, not to battery usage, the power button controls, expand this menu, and change the sleep value to hibernate, and this will help your battery rest whenever your device is turned off. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.